Okay, so right now I'm going to demonstrate the 4-hour cooling rule. When the food is at the right temperature, which is just above 60, you temperature test the food. Make sure that your probe is sterilised. Use a sterilising wipe. Then you test the food for temperature. So this is just over 60. Above 60, the food is still food safe. So at this point, we can start the cooling. So now we're going to transfer the soup, this pumpkin soup, into a container, and this is a Gastron container. Now the good thing about this container is that it's got a large surface area. So when you're cooling food down, the more the surface area, the bigger the surface area, the quicker the food will cool down. Okay, so it's very important when you're putting food in the fridge, put it into containers like this or longer Gastron containers, and then put it in the fridge. It'll cool down very quickly. So then what we need to do, just make sure that we fill out our record, our cooling record. So we need to make sure the temperature is the right temperature. So that's 65.2. Okay, so 65.2. Okay, so now we fill in the record for the soup. And it's 10 o'clock. We put in 65.2 as our starting temperature. And then in 2 hours' time, we'll come back and record the temperature again. Okay, so now we've taken the temperature, we've recorded it, we put this in the fridge to cool down. Okay, so it's been 2 hours now since I put the pumpkin soup in the fridge. So I'm now going to take the temperature to make sure that it's below 21. So again, use a steriliser wipe for the probe. Make sure it's nice and clean. So we can see the temperature is below 21. Okay, so now we record the temperature that after 2 hours. 20.3 degrees. Okay, so now we're going to test the temperature after a further 4 hours. That makes a total of 6 hours. So we sanitise the probe, like before. And once the temperature stabilises, 3.6 degrees. So now we enter the temperature, the last temperature, 3.6 degrees, and sign it off.